Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you the bossing of the 2023 33 Outrage. What a great boat this is. It's a great offshore boat as well, but it does do the social days, going to the beach, going to just nice rides, sightseeing rides, all that. It does everything well, but it fishes really, really good. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 330 Outrage. Let's start at the back of the boat. We've got the twin Mercuries. They're incredible. They're 300s. They're a ton of horsepower for this boat. It's a great hole shot, great top end on it all. You'll absolutely love them. Very quiet, very little vibration. If you're going off, you're not fishing and you're going out for a ride, you got a nice comfortable bench seat here with an opposing seat over here, so 4 people can sit comfortably. Even you can sneak a third one on here if you want. If you are fishing, just lift it up. Now it's a really comfortable leaning post. I've got rod holders across. Very convenient, very large live well, so it's huge. So you can fit all the bait you're going to need. It'll easily fit in there as well. So we move over to the boarding door. Boarding door does a couple of different things. So a lot of times you want to set up, if you got a floating dock, you set up where you're just right next to the dock, and then you're going to board at the same level. So it's the safest way to get on the boat by far. If you are fishing, a lot of times when you're bringing it over the gunnel, all the weight's on the hook, pulls the hook, you lose them, not happy about it. This way, you're pulling them up here, half the fish is still in the water as you're dragging them on board. You slide them across right into one of the 2 fish boxes, take the hook out while he's in the fish box. It's much easier to do in there, much neater and cleaner to do it in there as well. So very, very nice feature on this boat with this here. The seating does a couple of different things. You've got very comfortable opposing seating here. If you are entertaining or if you are fishing and you want to cut bait and do all that different type of stuff, very cool, safe place to do it as well. So a nice feature that they turn this seat into. Moving up to the helm, 2 Marines. You can split the screens all up, so I can have 4 different screens up here, which is great. You've got the vessel view, does all kinds of things itself on it, which is nice. The Fusion stereo, the trim tabs, spotlight. And then you've got the joystick, which I can do everything I need with this boat. I can make it go sideways. I can make it go in any direction. The more wind, more current, the more I lean it, the more horsepower I get in every single time. Perfect. Also does the sky hook. So if I'm pulling into a marina, if I'm pulling into a restaurant, and they give me a starboard side tie, I just hit the sky hook button. I go and safely get all my lines and my fenders. I put them all out on the boat. I'm not running around. I'm not coming back to the helm trying to, because the boat's moved while I've been doing it. I'm staying in the same spot the whole time. When I'm all done, take the sky hook off. Got my joystick, brings me in safely, easily. You look like the best captain in the world. I'll tell you that right now. So then we've got, let me move around to the side. You've got the head area, which is very large. So you've got the vacuum flush head. You've got a sink down here with a pull-out shower. You can rinse yourself off in there. You've got the dedicated storage for your ladder as well. Good spot for that. Let's move up to the bow. So very nice seating up here. All of this is removable. All has non-skid underneath it. So if you are fishing, you can take all the cushions, put them down in the trunk, and it's so it's all non-skid here. All non-skid up here. You got the recessed windlass up there, so it's a good place to fish off of. You got wide gunnels, so you can walk down the gunnels if you need to. Very comfortable lounge seat right here. You can put 2 or 3 adults. Very, very comfortable on the bow of the boat. And then extremely large storage, so you can put everything down in here. It's set up where you can put a half a dozen fishing rods down in here. It will lock, so if you pull in somewhere, you can lock your fishing rods in there. You don't have to worry about somebody taking them, which is a nice feature on it. But good place to put all your fenders, lines, and everything else all right in here, and it's nice and safe and dry. So the boat does everything well. It's got the radar on. It's got the 24-mile Marine radar. It's all you're going to need for weather and birds and all that kind of stuff. And then it's got the spotlight on it. So the boat has everything. So if you've got any questions or would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.